Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2021 Ford Explorer. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Answer the call to adventure in this Ford Explorer, the midsize SUV with a commanding presence and technology that lets you customize your driving experience. Whether you're towing, negotiating rough terrain, or simply cruising the scenic route, this can-do vehicle infuses every excursion with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, third row seat, heated front seat. Feel confident on every journey when you're behind the wheel of this Explorer. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.